With so much of today's digital attention centered on social media, maintaining a strong presence is essential for staying connected with customers and attracting new business. We provide professional social media management, which includes customized content creation and consistent scheduling. Whether you're refining your current approach or building one from the ground up, our strategy ensures your auto shop stays visible and recognizable in your local market. A consistent social media presence allows you to connect with customers on a more personal level. It presents your business in an authentic way by showcasing your team, your expertise, and the work you do every day. Social platforms also create an open line of communication. Customers can ask questions, leave reviews, and engage with your post, building trust and recognition long before they ever schedule an appointment. With most social media users logging in daily, staying active on platforms like Facebook and your Google business profile keeps your shop visible where attention already exists. Consistent posting keeps your business front of mind, so when someone needs auto repair, your shop is the one they remember. Today, social media functions as modern word of mouth. Prospective customers regularly check reviews, recommendations, and online activity before choosing a repair shop. An active presence reinforces credibility and builds confidence in your brand. If you're ready to strengthen your social media strategy, we're here to help you build and manage a presence that boosts your shop to the next level.